professional sales rep he is. When Barry hired him right out of college and said, okay, Sherry, come meet my new sales rep. And, oh my God. Get him away from Thirsty Thursday and 2 for Tuesdays and over the hump Wednesdays. And fortunately, he got engaged recently, and so that's made look so good. First, he bought a house. That helped.
Yeah.
Then you know, the engagement. So
Once you
he's
get a house,
turned,
it's not hard. So
he turned into the sales rep that I always dreamed of. And then he brought in his cousin. Same thing, like, oh no, here I am starting everything.
I was worse, I was a carpenter.
So we're very blessed to have them on our team, and then also Ken in the back too. He kind of fit into the group as well. So what we're going to talk about today is I really want to give you an overview of what's going on in our industry, and then be more specific about our particular products. And then I don't want to bore you with death by PowerPoint. So we're actually going to show you demonstrations of the applications that we're talking about today. So Scott's got most everything running, and we'll actually do demonstrations of the applications. And then we actually have some of the hardware over here, and we can even show you the handsets. So with that being said, the voice technology evolution has been very slow in the last decades. I mean, I have some consultants here, and they can attest for, probably for the last 3 decades, we really didn't have much change from, well, what we were talking about earlier, the sneaker net, which means you got up from your desk and went over and told your coworker what you wanted to go, what you wanted to say, instead of using the intercom button and picking up the phone and telling them. So they did sneaker net. And now what we're looking at is we're looking at a time where we jumped through. We had the early adopters in the 1990s that brought some convergence of digital and a little bit of IP. And then it also had some networking. We were using the old, we call it ear and mouth networking, E&M networking. And that was the old way. So that was from system to system, not desktop to desktop. And then in the 2000s, we had the real early adopters that brought in the server-based solution or the PC systems, and they then started embracing some of the internet products and voice over IP, and that's kind of where it started to get more press, and where the consultants and the dealers and the manufacturers all realized, okay, we're going in this direction. So we really need to look and see how we can better help our consumers. Well, today, one of the key things is this piece right here. Anytime, anywhere, any device. And there was actually a new acronym that came out of that called the Internet of Things. And what the Internet of Things means is it's a concept that describes the Internet, and it's being used to link both your enterprise or your consumer devices to receive a data stream on an intermittent or a permanent basis. So basically what that boils down to is you want to use whatever device you have in front of you, be it your laptop, be it your tablet, be it your desk phone, be it your cell phone. Anywhere, anytime, any device. That's kind of the concept of the Internet of Things. And on top of that, one of our industry analysts is called the Gartner Group. And the Gartner Group has projected that the growth of the Internet of Things will include 26 billion units installed by the year 2020. So, if you're stuck in a key system digital mentality, it's really time for you to step up in an Internet thing of world and really look at what can we do in the concept of anywhere, anytime, any device. So that's kind of what direction we're going to look at today. So why do we need IP? Well, the first thing we're going to talk about is SIP trunks. SIP trunks most effectively can reduce your phone line costs, your telephone numbers, your phone line costs. With that savings, it could give you the ability then to purchase the hardware that you would require to move into the next generation platform or the voice over IP platform.